What's going on, everyone? Today we got a 2024 Hyundai Tucson, and I'm going to be showing you how to pull out the cabin air filter if you want to service it. Now, the cabin air filter is going to be located behind your glove box, so we're going to need to lower your glove box. The first step is to come over here. There's a glove box damper right here that we're going to need to disconnect. It's really simple to disconnect. All we got to do is pull on right here and disconnect it, okay? Now, to lower the glove box now, what we're going to need to do is push these stoppers inward and pull the glove box down. We're going to need to do that on both sides, and we want to keep some pressure on the glove box to help us out. You might have to go back and forth with it a little bit. Keep that pressure on the glove box and work your way down. Then it should come down. This gives us access to this door right here. That's where the cabin air filter is located. So right here on the right side, you're going to take these tabs, you're going to squeeze them together, pull towards you, and then we can pull the door off, okay? This side over here doesn't work like that. It slides in to this slot right here, okay? Here's our cabin filter. We can just pull it right out. This one is pretty new. It's got a little bit of stuff in it, but not a big deal. Now if we look at it, it's got arrows on it, and usually these arrows are airflow direction arrows, okay? And you're always going to want to put the new cabin filter in with the arrows facing down, okay? Airflow is going to be down. That's why you see the filter have the dirt and everything trapped on top, because it's sucking the air down. If you need a new filter, I'll have a link in the description box and in the comment box that takes you to Amazon, where you can get the correct size filter. It's going to be a premium filter also, meaning that it'll be an upgrade from one like this, which is just pretty much paper. The premium ones are a little heavier and thicker, and they have charcoal embedded in them to help with odor, okay? And they're pretty much the same price as these right here. So you can check that out if you want. We're gonna go left side in that slot, close it up like that, make sure the damper's hanging down. You see how this works. Pull this down like that. Just go ahead and close the glove box, and then come over here and hook the damper back up, and you'll be all done. Well, I hope this video was helpful. If you could show some support for the channel by hitting subscribe, like, and leave me a comment, that would be great. Thanks for watching the video.